Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. SMCI pulling back after the earnings yesterday, guys. We didn't have good earnings yesterday for SMCI. That's why we're pulling back. SMCI, guys, is pulling back. Be careful. SMCI is pulling back. We have a new bottom coming up for SMCI for today. We have to be ready for it. We have to. So SMCI, as we discussed, guys, pulling back 20% from yesterday earning report. What you think, guys, about SMCI? Are we gonna have a reversal right now or not? Let me know, guys. Let me know if we're gonna have a pullback for SMCI or a reversal. Yeah, we expect a reversal for SMCI pretty soon. Good morning. Lizzie, always number one. Lizzie, 7, lucky number 7. SMCI, what's your advice? Mo, we got really bad earnings, man. Less than expected, way less than expected. So now it's correcting down. Good morning, boom, boom. Next level, good morning. We can well sounds problems. Okay, guys, if you can hear me, let me know. Someone, if you said we have sound problems, please let me know, guys, if you can hear me. I think if every my side, I think everything all right from my side. I don't know. Okay, next level, guys. Okay, boom, boom. He can hear me. Okay, so now the problem is from your side, man. The problem is not me, is you. Like I said to my ex, I told her. Yeah, so we got unexpected. So the forecast for Q3 earnings was below the 46 cent analyst estimate. Price and its target is neutral right now, guys. For SMCI, we have a neutral, maintain its neutral price around 34 from 50. So the 34 is a target right now, guys, for SMCI. Now we have a new low, guys. SMCI have a new low before the market open, breaking the current support around the 28.70. So technically we have a new low coming for today, guys. A new low is coming for SMCI around the 26. Huge pullback for SMCI. Be careful, guys. SMCI is pulling back big time. Tesla doing all right. It's pulling back 4% as well. Palantir pulling back 5%. Holy moly, the market is pulling back big time, guys. Let's see Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is pulling back as well. Yes, Bitcoin is pulling back from the 95, now 94. Wow, we have a huge pullback for the market, guys. STSS just jumped today, guys, but it didn't continue the jump. Now it's correcting down. WW the same. We got IVF. IVF is reversing, guys. IVF is reversing from the support, the 198. Webull is still correcting down. And BTBI, we got reverse split is coming. PTBI, wow, BTBI is flushing down, so I'm gonna take it from the list here. Is not good for today. ULY, some of you ask, it was good yesterday and now it's still below the resistance. So I might put it down. Whoa, 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 whoa. ULY is jumping, guys, from the 14. Holy moly. Are you kidding me, man? I was watching this one early, guys. Did 30% with light volume. Uh, this by far, I never saw this kind of movement, stock jumping with no volume, guys, and doing 30%. This is madness. But I don't trust this stock anymore, man. I don't trust it like this. Anyway, this one has tricked me. Really tricked me good, man. I feel tricked because I was watching for the breakout around the 1180 and now we broke from it. Are you kidding me, man? Anyway, I feel a bit FOMO right now for ULY. ULY and IVF, guys, looking great right now. We don't have IVF on our list here, so I'm gonna take it from the list. ULY, let's check. Yeah, ULY, we have it on our broker. Yeah, it was tricky play, man. Anyway, guys, hit the like button on the way, and don't forget, traders, hunters, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, support the channel. Norma and George, one of our supporter, welcome, welcome. ULY is up. Yeah, I know. I feel really FOMO. It's getting near a strong resistance, Norma, around the 17, because we already broke out of the 11. SOUN, I will check it for you, brother. What a day, man. What a day we have here. Trump just crushing everything. Holy moly. What he did this time. Yeah, the market was correcting perfectly. And now we got a trap. What a day, man. What a day we've got. ULY, guys, we got a resistance coming up around the 17th. So I expect a pullback again. Is overextended, but I don't trust this one because of barcoding right now. It's light on volume. So ULY is still number one, the only one that did really great right now in pre-market. The rest of the market is nothing. We don't have. We have JFBR maybe. JFBR could be good for now. Let's check JFBR. Okay, JFBR could be good for today, guys. So we got JFBR and ULY, the only unicorn for today that look fantastic. Strong. The rest is pulling back. So this one, guys, it could be good. It could be good if we broke the 184. Have two target to go around the $2, and we might have at least the 240. We got two levels for this one. Yeah, JFBR is the number one, for my opinion, the best one. Look beautiful, really beautiful technically. The rest of the markets, like SMCI, Tesla, everything pulling back, guys. We have a huge news right now. Trump just dropped 145% tariff bomb and is already hitting your wallet. US House Republican proposed dropping $20 vehicle registration fee. Okay, we got a lot of news going on right now. Wow, we have a lot of profit for Tesla. That's why Tesla did really good. Operating profit of almost 400 million in first quarter. Okay, so Tesla is pulling back, guys, after hitting the resistance. It's still okay, guys. It's still correction. It's not flush like SMCI. Palantir is the same, is correcting down. AMD correcting down. Coinbase. All the stocks is correcting for today, guys. Some correcting more than the other, but yeah, all of them are correcting. Yeah, the SPY, we have a little fake out here. 555, guys, is the current resistance for the SPY. JFBR is still holding here. ULY is pulling back just below the $17. And I think we have the $15 as a target right now. Yeah, ULY could be good gainer for today. So I'm watching for those two levels. Current resistance is around the 1660, for my opinion. Yeah, 1660 should be a target to watch out for. ULY, we have the 1660. Now it's pulling back for a correction. JFBR could be good, guys, for a breakout from the 184 target, $2. JFBR, guys, is the number one for now for a unicorn. The market is doing crazy right now, guys. Be careful. The market is doing crazy movement. Oh, God. JFBR is halted, guys. Oh, God. And it's only for selling only. Look at that. We can't buy JFBR, man. JFBR has been limited to selling shares only. If you live in Europe, guys, it means you can't buy this one even with $1. Look at that. Buy order are temporarily suspended to avoid unfavorable order execution. So we can't buy this one. It's not halted in the Nasdaq, I think. Yeah, it's not halted. It's just halted in Europe. This is kind of strange, man. Look really beautiful, man. The only trade for today that look beautiful and we can't trade it is like you said. It's like someone told you it's forbidden for you to eat bread, and the bread is the only food you got. So this is the situation right now. Is someone told me, yo, Jesus, you are forbidden to eat bread. And I tell him, man, there is no other food except bread. So how I could survive? That's what's going on for the market today, guys. Dancing bar. Great question. It depends. If you live in Europe, we're using trading 212. And if you live in United States, it's better to use Mumu or Momo or whatever you want to call it. So here the link. My squeeze done. What else we've got here? Okay, let's see the requested stock before the market open because we got a few minutes left here. We got ULY. Ahmed, yes, we already discussed ULY. George, SMCI, yes. JFBR on your list, of course, number one. STSS next level. STSS. It is on the other list. Is mean is not good. Where is STSS, man? I can't find it. It's really hard to find something like this. Yeah, it's there. STSS is still looking good as long as we hold the 550. What else? We got SOUN. SOUN. It's not good. It's pulling back now. It is on the pullback zone. We have to break the current resistance, brother, toward the $10.50. Otherwise, I will wait for this pullback here. We have a pullback is about to happen around the 850. The bottom is around the $6. What else we got? Norma, you are welcome. Trump is crushing the market. Okay, dancing bar. Yeah, we have trading 212 and capital.com. There's two broker you can use. RGLS. The SPY is the 550, brother. RGLS, I don't like it because it is offering, brother, is game over. Is game over, is too much extended here. We got the SPY, the 555 right now confirmed resistant, everybody. Now we pulling back a bit. The SPY is still looking good, guys. It mean we don't have a flush. Don't worry. If the market is still holding the 530 for today, is me a correction and good entry for a reversal. So this is a little correction, guys, because the last few days, like almost 10 days, we've been on a huge streak of green days. The same that happened here after a huge jump back after the tariff, we have a huge pullback, a correction. So far so good for the SPY, everybody. As long as we hold the 530 will be great. SMCI is still pulling back. There's a critical zone right now, it's been tested, so we're still holding. Today is 19%. We might have a little push down toward the 27 for a reversal. Got a few levels here, the 27, 60, and 26 for a reversal. We got a little pullback for the market, everybody. Let us bring Snap, which had earnings yesterday. Yesterday, one of our elite members asked us about Snap. We discussed Snap for him. We said $9.89 is the resistance. Let me just show you what happened here. Elite request. Yes, Snap. So Snap Night Trader asked us about this trade. We said the 989 is the current resistance. As you can see here, guys, 989 is the current resistance. So this was before the earnings, and we suggest for waiting for a breakout from the 989. We didn't, that's why we pulled back. Let me just show you what happened. The price went exactly around the 989 here. This was yesterday after hours, and we pushed back down. So it was really good to short Snap around this resistance, because after that we pulled back down, and now it's still going down for Snap. It might go down more toward the 7. But for now, the top unicorn is JFBR. Guys, we don't have this one in Europe. So yeah, it's teasing us because it's the only one that look strong and beautiful. And the other one, we got ULY, which already almost hit our profit taken around the 16. Now it's pulling back. It could be good for today if we held over the 1190, which is the current support. STSS could be good as well for today. I'm watching for the resistance is not that clear for me here. Maybe I will put resistance here. Yeah, this one could be good as well. Okay, this is it for those stocks. Okay, guys, let us bring our disclaimer for today because the market is about to open at any second. So let us bring our disclaimer. Remember, guys, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly because we're not financial advisor. And do you do the diligence before you put your money on the line. And remember, we always go live 30 minutes before the market open. Every day, we discuss the markets. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, the link, I will put it right down below if you want to join our Hunter channel and Discord and Patreon. Wait a second. Yes, right now. Let's get right to it, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. And we've got lift off. Let's go, guys. Let's go. The market is opening right now. Who's ready for the market? Let's go. JFBR doing all right now. Okay, still JFBR below the resistance. ULY is still holding. SMCI started to reverse a bit. Etsy, UBS, NUE is pushing back down. Microsoft is going down. Caterpillar, UBS. Wow, WGS still going down big time. Wow, we tested our profit taking for cuckoo and then flushed down. What a crazy move. Yeah, Tesla pulling back down big time. SMCI pulling back. Coinbase. We have a huge flush for the markets. The SPY is going down. Remember, guys, the SPY is going to correct down toward the 530. It is normal because we have the jump, we have a pullback, we have a huge jump, now it's pulling back. So today we might have a nice pullback for the market, especially for Palantir because it's overextended with Tesla. That's why we might expect Tesla to push back down a lot. Now it's 4%. If it pushed back more, like 10% would be great, like the same for Palantir. Now it's 3%, it's backed 13% would be great, or even 10%. It is overextended, guys, Palantir. JFBR didn't break yet. ULY jumping and squeezing to Falahala. Guys, the only one that doing really great right now is ULY and maybe STSS. So I'm gonna put them first because we could or we can trade them. WW guys could be good as well if we held the current support, which is the 78. If we held here, would be great for a reversal. Webull is going down more toward our bottom. Let us discuss or check the other stocks. IVF is jumping, even though we don't have it on our broker. BTBI have reverse split tomorrow. The rest of the market is correcting down. So yeah, the only one that looking great is ULY, and I think it's halted up, guys. So the only two stocks is ULY and STSS. Let us double check the stock that getting halted at the moment. We got MRVL, AEYE, ULY, of course, here is halted just after 1 minute from the market open. SPCY, RGLS, which had offering, huge offering, or I think not an offering, but acquisition. So let's see, MVRL. I'm gonna check the stock that got halted right now, guys, to see if we got a good entry for them. SPCY. The only one that we have it on our list is ULY. GPFH. Okay, we got almost 4. Yeah, STSS is jumping, guys, is about to break the resistance. RGTI, game over. This one. Okay. MRVRL, not good. This one, no good. This one, no good. This one, no good. So yeah, this is leave us with ULY, guys, and STSS. Both of them looking great. Watch out, guys. ULY is still halted. Many stock in the market is down, of course, because the market is correcting. We discussed it in early in the market, man. We said this buy is have to correct. The market has to correct, but ULY will go against the current. ULY will go always against the current. So ULY looking good, guys. ULY looking good with STSS. Both of them looking good. WW could be good as well because still holding the 73. ULY is still halted. The only one for today. We have a target around the 1660 and the top target is around the $20. The market, guys, is correcting down. This is normal. The SPY is overextended. That's why it is correcting down at the moment. Yeah, it's correcting down. The SPY is correcting toward the 530. SMCI is still holding. We have a little jump, but this is not real jump because we're still below the 31. We might continue down toward the 26, 27. The Tesla 55%. Double top. Correction down. Again, Tesla was overextended the last few weeks. That's why it's correcting. Again, Palantir the same is overextended for my opinion. So those the stock that we have to watch with. Yeah, Etsy is going down. This one's going down. NU is going down. Caterpillar have earnings today. Still holding the gains after the good earnings. UBS is a bit slow. WGS, I will keep it. Etsy, still WGS could be good. Remember, guys, Microsoft have earnings after hours. We're gonna discuss it later. We're gonna do a short analysis update for our hunters on Discord as usual. What else we got here? We got EJH and NTRB. Let's check those two. NTRB halted down, not good. Halted down, no good. Yo, 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 we got ULY still halted, guys. ULY is still halted, the only one that look fantastic. STSS, the same, looking great right now, guys. We have a breakout. STSS, we got our breakout finally. Finally. JFBR, guys, didn't break the $1.80, is going toward the 129 now. WW is pulling back toward the support. If we broke the support, is mean no good. Current resistance is around the 88s. It was good in the pre-market because we broke this trend right here, but we didn't hold because we tested the psychological level around the $1. Bull, nothing much. Yeah. Still waiting for ULY, guys, to get unhalted. I'm gonna add another support for ULY over the 1369. STSS, we got shorted again. So I'm gonna adjust the resistance. The real resistance is just there around the 740. We have a support now around the 587. So yeah, we only have ULY that still strong for today. The rest of the market, it is not that strong. Bad SPY. IVF, I took it from the list because we don't have it on our broker. JFBR, the same. We don't have it on our broker. It's pulling back. JFBR is pulling back toward our support. DJT has earning as well, but also still down. DJT did a really great job, guys. Did a really great job in breaking this trend around the 22. So now it's going down to correct before the earnings. So DJT by far the best here. Yeah, still good. DJT before the earnings. When the earnings? Let's see. The earning doesn't make no sense because it's still in negative, so we don't have to care about the earnings that much with DJT. Cryptos, Bitcoin is down, but it's still holding the 91. So if Bitcoin broke the 91 today, we might have a huge pullback for the market toward the 86. So now the market is correcting. Bitcoin is still holding the 92 is okay. If we broke the 92 for Bitcoin, we might have a flush for the market and a huge correction. For now, little correction for the market, even for the SPY. Is not big correction yet. But I expect Tesla and Palantir will be the top losers because they did the huge jump early on to this week. JFBR, nothing much. Oh man, ULY unhalted. Whoa, we tested the 1660, guys. We went even around the 17, and I think now it's halted down. Are you kidding me? Exactly, man. Exactly. This is it. I think this is it. We tested our resistance, and that's why we pulling back now. We tested 1734. This is it, guys. ULY, if this is the current resistance at the moment, 17. NXPI pulling back down. ULY, guys, make sure to take profit right now. Yeah, ULY, make sure to take profit, guys, for ULY because it's tested our resistance. Yeah, around the 1715. I think it's better to take profit right now for ULY. I don't trust it that much, man. So I'm gonna take profit here for ULY. Wait a second. Let's see if we're gonna break. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are we gonna break? I think this is it. I'm gonna take 16% from this trade and call it the day. Yeah, it's better to take profit here. ULY, we took profit on this trade. Is really critical to take profit in this kind of situation of the market. Situationship. We have a situationship in the market, guys. We have a huge situation. Yeah, we have a huge situation for the market. ULY is too dangerous here to hold. STSS the same. JFBR is still correcting down. WW started to jump up. Guys, WW, we might have a squeeze reversal because we held our support perfectly that we discussed earlier on our Discord, guys. If you don't know, now you know. We discussed WW early on our live streaming here. We discussed the reversal entry around the 78. We said as long as we hold here, we're gonna have a reversal. We held and now testing the resistance for a breakout from the 88. If we did, we're gonna have the test for the $1 again, or technically around the 96 before the $1.10. So WW could be good right now, guys. So I'm gonna put WW number 2, ULY number 1 still. And Webull, I don't trust it that much, man. It started to reverse. It started to reverse a bit, but I don't trust it that much. I have trust issue with this stock. Wow, we have a huge red day. SMCI still hold. Tesla is getting near a nice bottom. The SPY is still holding a bit, but it's still going down. Yeah, today is the day of correction, guys. ULY have a struggle to break this current resistance around the 1740. I expect a pullback, guys. I expect a pullback here. ULY is overly extended at the moment, so we might have a correction. Yeah, low volume make me cautious. Exactly. Yeah, me too, man. Profit. That's why I missed the real good entry, man. We were talking about ULY early before this breakout here around the 1185, but I didn't trust it, man. I didn't trust it. So that's why I have a little entry. We took just 10% instead of 30 or 40%. There's someone buying in the dark pool, guys. That's why there's no activity shown for ULY. So ULY, there is some whale buying in the dark pool, guys, for this one. There's a sneaky bastard who buying this one. I think he's hearing me right now. He's laughing. Yeah, a lot of company depends on Bitcoin. Exactly, man. That's why the Bitcoin is the mover of the market after this buy. That's why we have to keep watching the Bitcoin, which is it pulled back just less than 1%, you see? And the market is struggling. Imagine if we broke the 92, guys. If Bitcoin broke the 92, we're gonna have a huge flush for the market, huge correction. But we're still holding. Webull is still holding, guys. I was wishing for the price to go a little more down toward the 12 and 11 for better entry, but we correct before it just around the 13. A little correction with light volume. ULY is just hugging the resistance. Is not letting go. Is not letting go. Yeah, I told you, Prophet, brother, this one, it was unusual. I was trading the market for years, for many years, and this one, to be honest, this one, it tricked me really good. This one, it tricked me really good. That's why, to be honest, guys, I really like the market, because when you think that you know the market really well, the market slap you in your face and tell you to wake up. You can't be like knowing everything or seeing everything in the market. Every day there's something new, or every few weeks or months there's something will cut you off guard. So there is no rules in the market, man, because there's a lot of people breaking the rules behind the scene. Sorry to say that, but this is the reality. There's a lot of insiders and corruptions going on in the market, man. And some smart whales, they're using the rules behind the scene. So even if you think dark pool is kind of shady and is not fair, but that's what's happening. One of the things that the big money do. Yeah, man. The market is like the jungle, man. If you think you are the king of the jungle, think twice. Because if you get caught in a herd of hyenas or wolves, they're gonna eat you, even if you are the lion. So this is the market, man. Even if you are the lion of the king of the jungle will humble you, you know? Yeah, man. You know, Prophet, to be honest, brother, I tried many jobs in my life and I get bored really easily because my personality is like I like doing something new every day, like taking different approach. I don't like routine. So I think the market is perfect fit to me because every day is new, like new exciting thing going on, surprises like this. Even though I might lose money, but I don't care because I like excitement more than money because money you can it come and goes, but like learning and adventures and excitement is it's worth more than money because it's more fun like this. Good and no, you can't run from the jungle, man. Even if you walk like lightly, you're gonna get cut by a snake. And if you think you're smart, you go slowly. The snake is actually move without a sound. So guess what? You move lightly, and guess what? Surprise! You step on a snake, and the snake will turn and bite you, and game over for you. So I think it's better to be like Tarzan, you know? He's not walking, but swinging from tree to tree. Wow. So now we got a bit of fake out here, guys, for ULY. ULY is a bit dangerous, guys. I don't like what's going on here. WW is still trying to break from the 88. STSS is still holding the support. GFR is still holding the support. Ball is still holding. So now we have a bit of cautious from the bulls. We have neck and neck fight between the buyers and sellers. That's why the selling pressure is slowed down right now, guys, a bit, at least for the SPY and SMCI. We have a little bit of correction. Yeah, ULY is the only one that look interesting. Let us double check if we got something halted at the moment. CNF, QUB, EJH. Oh man, EJH got halted so many times back to back. Uh-huh. Because we got panicking, people panicking selling this stock. Let us see if what's the top gainers for today. Top gainer for today, we got RGLS, we got IVF, ULY, RCKY, RCKY, RCKY. What's going on with this one? RCKY, no good. No, 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 no. No good at all. So yeah, this is leave us with only ULY and WW and STSS. Those are the only one that look fantastic, especially as the STSS looking strong right now. Black Mamba Snake. I don't know this one. Abhi Duggal, I think you are experienced with snakes. MLGO bottom. MLGO, I think it is going down further for today. The bottom is getting near, my opinion, is around the $3.84. I need a more jump down to be more confident to buy this one, guys. I need another 30% jump, but I doubt that we're gonna have another jump like this. We need to have another bad news for MLGO to go further down like this. But if it doesn't go, I don't care. I'm not buying. This is the idea, guys, of having options, you know? It's the same if having options to work. You know, if you don't have options and you need money to pay for rent or whatever, you're gonna get any job, you know? You can't decide. You can't like to say that you don't like the job. You're gonna take it anyway because you need the money. But this is a bad approach to search for a job. The best way to approach anything is to not needing the job or not needing the money, but looking for the job that you that fits you. And this is hard to do if you don't have money to eat, you know? This is the trick here. The same with stocks. If you have options to trade other stocks, you never buy MLGO because you have other stocks you can trade. And for MLGO, as I said, guys, if it doesn't go to my bottom support, I will not enter, even though the bottom is really far, almost 30%. And I know is highly unlikely that MLGO will go tomorrow or this week toward this level. So we have to wait. And sometimes we never go there and reversed before. So I will let it go. I will never say why I didn't buy. I just let it go because I have other options. So in trading, you have to have many options, guys, because if you don't have options, you'll be desperate and buy the wrong stock. I learned this the hard way. I learned this the hard way. It's the same with dating, you know, and marriage. If you are desperate to have a girlfriend or to get married, you're gonna take the worst options because you are desperate. But there is a paradox here because if you have too many options and you don't know what you want, you will never get married at all because you have a lot of options and you say, what if someone great will come tomorrow, you see? And you never be happy with the one you have. So there's a paradox here in life. You have to be grounded and grateful for what you have. At the same time, you should shoot for the stars and have things that better. It's crazy, I know. JFBR testing the $1.35. JFBR, yeah, almost testing the $1.29, man. This is the support. WW testing the resistance, guys, is about to break the resistance at the current situation right now, the 88. WW looking great, guys. The only one that looking great at the moment. What a day, man. What a day we've got. WW, we got some action here. We got some action, my brothers and sisters. Some action. AREB, bro. I will check. AREB. WW, we have a fake out here. Didn't hold, guys. John, he loved AREB so much. Always ask me about AREB. Last time you asked me about AREB, brother, as about this fake out from this breakout level. Now it's trying again. So AREB, we got the big seller at the moment around the 415. Current profit taken if we jumped is around 470 and around 540. For now, keep your eyes closed to the current support, brother, over the 278. Current resistance and profit taken is the 415 as well. But yeah, it's still light on volume. There's no action yet. WW is still trying to hold and break the 88 or 89. Yeah, we got some action here, guys. We got some action. Look at that. We got some action for you guys. Yeah, WW have some action going on, but it still have a bit of hesitation, guys. WW have a bit of hesitation here. ULY still holding, STSS still holding. Bull is still nothing. We have a huge pullback for the market. Let's see the swing trade stocks. SMCI, guys, is correcting a bit. It's still below the 31, guys. This is the current situation for SMCI. We need to break this level of resistance to go higher. Tesla correcting down. Palantir just 2% down. Riot and the other crypto stocks going down, especially Riot is getting near the support. Yeah, it's getting near the support. I'm gonna lower the resistance for Riot around the $8. Yeah, Riot look really interesting here. Mara is getting near a new support here around the 12.12. Yeah, we have a correction day, guys. The SPY is correcting, still correcting down. So today we might have a little more correction before a reversal. So we're gonna update all the levels later, guys, especially for WW, which is started to squeeze up, guys. WW started to squeeze up and breaking out from the 89. The only one that's moving right now, guys. The rest is going down. ULY, you see, guys, I don't trust it here. That's why we said to take profit after the haltation. So this is it for now, guys. We have to wrap up our live streaming for now. We're gonna discuss and update all the levels for those stocks later on our Discord, guys, especially for WW because it broke out from our resistance and now it's doing fantastic with ULY as well. STSS started to move. So those the only stock that look great for today, guys. Only 3 stocks. We're gonna update all those levels later on our Discord, guys. Remember to check the updates level for many stocks here. Ahmed ask about AGMH. Dan ask about SQQQ. Never mind, the market is red. I will check it anyway. I will check AGMH, but yeah, the market is red, but not for all the stocks. AGMH not good, man. I don't like the technical. The top stocks for today is WW, LY, and STSS. Even the market is red, those unicorn will go against the market. Remember. Let us check what's going on here. SQQ right now. SQQ, man, looking great. This one is for the short side. So the market's going down. This one will go up. We got the resistance for SQQ is coming up around the 33.85, and we might go toward the 35.95 if the spike continue to go down. So watch for the 32.72. Let me know, brother, if you can hear me. Otherwise, I will put the chart for you here, man. SQQQ. Damn, let me know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, well, if you can't, or you're not watching the live streaming, or if you don't reply right now on the message on Discord, is mean you didn't watch our live streaming. And instead, I will do the chart and send it to you manually to our Hunter channel on Discord. Yeah, we have two levels here. Let's see. I think my brother here, one of our elite member, he don't watch the live streaming, so we have two supports, those two supports, and this is resistance is coming up here, resistant plus profit around 34 exactly, and the other one it is around 34.70. So I'm gonna take this and send it. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. We have to wrap up our live streaming for the moment. The market is correcting down, is a bit weak for now. So we're gonna update you guys for WW, which is doing fantastically good right now. So we're gonna update WW for you about the levels where we're gonna go from here, because at the moment doing really good. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and see you later on. Tomorrow, of course, as usual, we're gonna discuss the market together tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you later.